Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chlorophyll water at home. This vibrant green drink, derived from plants, is gaining popularity for its potential wellness benefits. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to the simple blending process, ensuring you can enjoy this refreshing beverage whenever you like. Get ready to add a natural boost to your daily routine with this easy recipe. To begin, gather your fresh, dark leafy greens. Spinach, kale, or even parsley work wonderfully. You'll also need a good quality blender, a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, and a large bowl for collecting your liquid. Don't forget plenty of filtered water, which is crucial for achieving a clean, crisp flavor in your homemade chlorophyll water. These simple items are all you need to start. Now, let's blend. Add about 1 cup of your chosen greens to your blender, along with 2 cups of filtered water. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the mixture is completely smooth and vibrant green. Next, place your fine mesh strainer over a large bowl and pour the blended mixture through it, pressing down on the pulp to extract all the liquid. This ensures a smooth, pulp-free drink. Once prepared, store your fresh chlorophyll water in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. You can enjoy it plain, perhaps with a squeeze of lemon, or mix a 1/4 cup into your daily smoothie or juice for an extra boost. It's a versatile addition to your wellness routine. For more great tips and deals, including leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.